Runaway Train by Soul Asylum. And we're just about to run away, but not quite yet, because we've got the lovely Madonna in here talking all things natural. You want to do us a little bit of a recap, lovely, on what we were chatting and where would they go to see you?
Yeah, so we've been chatting about allergies and intolerances from that naturopathic perspective. We do a whole lifestyle check, you know, sort of seeing what's going on. You know, we do testing if people want to do testing. We do kinesia if people are happy with that. Kinesiology.
Oh, so the abbreviations have
yeah. For all the local listeners. Yeah, so we do a fairly big overhaul. So, yeah, where we are, we're in Edith Street in Wynnum, so 94 Edith Street, Wynnum, between St Vinny's and the post office. And you can give Sanu and Lynn a phone call on 3348 6098.
That's fantastic. You are always full of information and knowledge. So if anyone's got any skin issues or any allergy issues, or anything we've been talking about.
Yeah, hay fever, sinus, asthma. If they've been hearing about the mast cell activation syndrome, you know, that is where histamine's built up in the body. That can be a big driver of this T helper 2. I sort of suspect that that's linked in with all these poor little babies being born with allergies these days as well.
There's always a link.
There's always a link. So it's just becoming bigger, you know, the whole MCAS. Histamine problem these days.
But that's where you come in.
That's where we come in.
That's right. So if you're wanting to go and deal with any of your allergies, or like I said, anything that we've been talking about for the last few weeks, head down and see Madonna and Sifu, was it?
Sanu and Lynn.
And Lynn down at NewLeaf Natural Therapies. They will definitely be the guys to chat to you and sort it out. Yeah. Thank you very much, Madonna. We will see you next week. In fact,
chatting.
What are we going to be chatting next week?
I think it's time to talk about heavy metal toxicity.
Oh, we've been talking about that for the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, that's right. So we'll go in a bit more in detail.
Wonderful. Well, that's us out of here. I'm heading off home. Roger's in at 12. But first, before I go quickly, winner of the Meat